Welcome. Today, discover how to reply to a story from a highlight on Instagram using your PC with the latest update. This new feature makes it easier than ever to interact with friends and creators directly from your desktop, no phone required. Start by opening Instagram on your computer. Head to the official Instagram website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main feed, but for this feature, you need to visit the profile of the person whose story you want to reply to. Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in their username. When their profile appears, click on it to go straight to their page. Here, you'll see their posts, profile picture, and just below their bio, you'll find their story highlights. These highlights are collections of stories that the user has chosen to keep visible on their profile, even after the usual 24-hour expiration. Look through the highlight icons under the bio, and click on the one containing the story you want to respond to. Once the highlight opens, you can browse through all the stories saved in that collection. When you find the specific story you want to reply to, look for the message bar at the bottom of the screen. Click into the message bar, type out your response, and make sure your message is clear and engaging. When you're satisfied with your reply, simply click Send. Your message will go directly to the story owner's inbox, allowing for a seamless and instant connection. With this update, replying to stories from highlights on Instagram via PC is now straightforward and accessible. Whether you want to share your thoughts, ask a question, or just react to a moment, you can do it all from your computer with just a few clicks. Try it out the next time you come across an interesting story in someone's highlights. Enjoy connecting and making your Instagram experience even more interactive.